friends, how y'all doing out there? It's your boy Goof. I'm here to bring y'all to the forefront of the technological innovation when it comes to robotics. Robotics is transforming lives and industries everywhere, from the industrial services to just everyday normal household tasks. You should be able to find robotics in its use cases anywhere from warehouse automation to inside your kitchen cooking, to agricultural, to space exploration. You name it, they have robots here. I just want to take the time. I put together a couple clips. I just want you guys to see how robots is changing the industry. Won't you guys hit that like and subscribe button and check out the new book.